This has been an issue since charter schools have come on the scene. There's a contradiction in the charter school law that says they must use a lottery, which is a random process, but also reflect the racial and ethnic makeup of the school system in which they reside, which is a non-random process. There's been a tension like this for years, and critics of charter schools have accused them of being institutions that are not diverse, when the real problem is this law.
You mentioned this contradiction. Even if charter school operators would like to have as diverse a student population as possible, state law prevents them from doing that?
That's right. A few years ago, a charter school attempted to set aside 15% of its seats for minority and low-income students, and the North Carolina Attorney General said they cannot do that. So since that point, there's been no charter school that has been able legally to set aside seats for low-income or minority students.
What should be done to fix the contradiction?
Well, I think we need to maintain a colorblind and fair process of choosing students, and that means using a lottery. Keep the lottery statute in place and eliminate the one that requires this certain racial and ethnic makeup that reflects the school system. To compensate for the lottery, we should be expanding the number of seats available in charter schools. This will give applicants a greater opportunity to be able to get seats in charter schools through the lottery.
Very briefly, you're also calling in this new report for an apology. Why and from whom?
Well, this is an apology that I think charter schools are owed from the State Board of Education and the Department of Public Instruction for years ignoring the fact that there's a contradiction in this law, yet complaining that charter schools are institutions that are not diverse.